Hi, my dear viewers. Thank you so much. And I think that you are well, all of you are well by the grace of God. I'm also fine. And I'm here with a new subject today. You see on the board the new subject rhyme. As far as you are concerned, I'm working on sound of alphabet for a long time. For many days. But today, I would like to show you some problems in some rhymes. It is very important problems for us. It is because that the persons, the teachers were teaching the students the rhymes in the class. Their rhyming sounds or rhyming sounds are appropriate, correct, but there are some problems of sounds here. As much as I'm concerned with the rhymes, with the teachings. So, I would like to show some correct pronunciation, correct rhythmical sound of rhymes. So, let's come to our main point. You see a rhyme here. The name of the rhyme is Twinkle, Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. How will recite the rhyme? What's the correct sound? Real sound of some words we should know. Otherwise, it's impossible for us to recite the rhyme correctly. Let's try to recite the rhyme, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you were. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like this. But we are reciting in the class, some people, some teachers, some persons. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. In this way. But first time I have recited the rhyme, and next time also I have recited the rhyme. But there must have a difference. You see here the first line. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. You see here twinkle. It is twinkle, not twinkle, twinkle. You see a T W I K L. This is a stress. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. This is syllable. This is a syllable. Twinkle. Here the primary stress here. These primary stress tells us twing, twing. The sound of this syllable will be louder than call. Twinkle, 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 little star. You see, there is a stress. L I E T L. This is a stress here. You know well, the viewers, my dear viewers, you know well that stress, rhythm is governed by stress. Rhythm is governed by stress. So, the stress tells us how we'll sound the word, how we'll rhyme the word, what's the rhythmical sound of the word. After all, attuned to stress, we have to pronounce, we have to sound the word rhythmically. Otherwise, the sound will be not correct. So, little, but we tell little like this, little, not little at all, little. Here, little. The sound of li will be louder than till. Little. And this is why we have sound here, little star. I mean that unstressed. These are unstressed. These are unstressed syllables. So, these are weaker syllables. They are weaker sound than the primary stressed syllable. So, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What you are? What? But we tell, we sound the word what. What you are. What you are. What you are. What you are. What? You see the symbol here? This is all. This is all. Ta. What? What? But we tell what. It is what? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up, above. You see here the stress. Above. Stress syllable is above. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Diamond. Here, diamond. These are unstressed. These are weaker sound. But diamond, like this. So. The symbol is here as oo, oh, so. Yeah. Again, we are trying our level best to recite the poem, recite the rhyme. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like this. Okay, my dear viewers. Thank you so much. In this way, we'll try our level best to sound, to recite the rhyme rhythmically, and must have rhythmical sound here. Okay, thank you. Bye.